Let's say I don't like how this logo is surrounded by a peach-colored bubble. Let's take a screenshot to show the AI exactly what I'm talking about. On a Mac, I'm clicking Command-Shift-4, then highlighting the area I want to screenshot. Once you've got a screenshot, you can drag it into the chat or click the plus button to upload it manually from wherever screenshots are saved on your system. While I'm over here, let's check out some advanced settings by clicking the gear icon. You can select which AI model to use by default, but I recommend keeping it on automatic. Base44 will choose the best model for your app. You can also open AI controls to add custom instructions that apply to every prompt. This is useful if you have specific style guidelines or preferences that you don't want to repeat each message. There's also a freeze files option. If you get something working perfectly, you can freeze those files so that AI won't accidentally modify them. We'll leave these settings alone for now though, since we're still building out the core features. I still have the text from the reverted image in the chat window, so I'll delete this and describe the change I want, referencing the logo bubble screenshot we just captured. I just want the logo, icon, and tagline to appear directly on the gray background. After some processing, Base44 applies the changes, and now my logo section looks much better.